Do the case break. This is the first box. As you can see, we're live on Blog TV for the YouTubers. You can see on the screen there we got a full case in the background. We're going to cut it open now. Oh my gosh, it is heavy. For those on Blog, that is a beautiful sight. I'll show the YouTubers. As a Colts fan, it makes me weep. So let's just start with the first box, and then I'll sort this later. Here we go, first box of the case. Garbage all over the place. My wife's gonna go crazy. Sorry. Oh, can't see those there. Alright, packs never leave sight. Let's go, pack one. Alright, I'm going to do it like this. Base, base, base. Every card shown. Insert for the Seahawks. Extra points. Robert Turbin, rookie. Not numbered. And a rookie for the Eagles. Nick Foles. Base, base, base. Hey, let's do this. I'm going to open 2 or 3 packs at a time. Make it a little quicker. I'll sit them right. Where can everybody see them? Let's do it like that. Everybody can see them right there. I'll have to get that box. Alright. Base, base, base. For the Rams, extra points. Michael Brockers. Gold, unnumbered. Rookie for the Bengals. First, Kevin Zeitler. Base, Bears, Jaguars, Cowboys, Bucks, Jets. TJ Graham, extra points, blue, out of $9.99. Rookie for the Bills. Bills sold right before the break. And rookie or insert for the Eagles, Nick Foles. That is unnumbered. Rookie for the Saints, Nick Toon. Nick Toon. Base, base. Guys, I'm showing every card on YouTube if you want to count all your base cards. David Wilson's blue, extra points out of $9.99 for the Giants. Insert for the Bills, TJ Graham. Unnumbered. Denver. Did we sell Denver? Broncos. All right, Brock Osweiler, rookie. Base, base, base. And let me find this. We're going to have to break these into halves. That's in view. Hey, buddy. Ash, will you go turn the light on for him? Base, base, base. Insert for the Lions. Ryan Broyles. Prestigious picks. Rookie for the Steelers. Chris Rainey from Florida. That's the guy right there. Base, 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 base. The first alternate of the break, alternate rookie jersey of the Chargers, Melvin Ingram. This is the alternate short prints for the Chargers. Rookie for the Eagles, Fletcher Cox. Base, 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 base. Decoy. Insert Deshaun Jackson for the Eagles. Rookie for the Raiders, Jerron Crenner. Base, base, base. Am I doing it all right? Is everybody able to see everything okay? Yeah, this is probably going to take some time. I got to find a way to speed it up a little. Plus, I try and keep it to where you can see everything on each box in one video. We're already running 5 minutes, almost 6 minutes on this one. So, all right, nice little stack here. Base, base, base. Insert for the Packers, Clay Matthews. Rookie for the Chiefs, Devon Wiley. Base, 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 base. Rookie for the Bears, Shea McClellan. He's a first rounder. Insert for the Lions, Patriots, Giants, and Cardinals. It is league leaders receiving. Put that up there. Rookie for the Minnesota Vikings, Harrison Smith. Base, 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 base. Decoy. Rookie for the Colts, extra points parallel, Chandler Harnish, gold parallel. Mr. Irrelevant. Rookie for the Bengals, Devon Still. Base, 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 base. Our first hit, not a bad one, for the Chargers, 2-color patch, Malcolm Floyd. Is it numbered? No, that's really weird. I already saw this same card today. It's 3-color, not numbered. Nick Toon insert for the Saints. And rookie for the Patriots, Chandler Jones. All right, base, base, base. If you want that card, it went to. Oh, that's actually staying here. That was an unsold team. It'll be on eBay this weekend. Base. Insert for the Denver Broncos, Tim Tebow. These are out of 1,500. I think the only one that's Jets is actually the autographed. Colts, insert Andrew Luck. We're going to have a lot of those. Rookie for the Cowboys, Danny Coyle. Cole, maybe. Not sure. Base, base, base. Base, base, base. Decoy. Extra points gold for the Rams, Janoris Jenkins. That's a good pick. Chiefs, rookie, Cyrus Gray. Yeah, first box I don't get. Base, base, base. First box we don't have a... autograph for the Buffalo Bills. Man, this one sold, just a few hours ago. TJ Graham. On-card auto, unnumbered. That's nice. Cheap autograph, but Ryan Broyles insert for the Lions. Insert for our rookie for the 49ers, LaMichael James. That's awesome. Base, 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 base. Insert for the Patriots, Chandler Jones. Patriots getting a lot of inserts. Last second buy. Travis Benjamin for the Browns rookie. Base, 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 base. Decoy. Prestigious Stars. Marquise Colston for the Saints. Rookie for the Bengals, Dre Kirkpatrick. Ah, damn. Hold on, guys. All right. Let's finish it up. Box 2. Or box 1, excuse me. Or 10 minutes. So it must be a 10-minute cutoff on Blog TV. Yeah, it is. I see it now. There's a thing up top there. And we'll show all the hits at the end of each video, along with any the major rookies and the alternate rookies. Just one Cowboy rookie, I think. That's it. Let's just do these last few. And if we're missing hits, man, I do. I track down Panini and make them send it, so I always remember who had what and what break. Base. For the Jaguars, autograph, Andre Branch. Numbered to 899. Insert for the Browns, Brandon Weeden. Yes, you'll get all that. Texans rookie, Case Keenum. Free agent rookie. Base. 49ers insert, AJ Jenkins. Rookie, Ronnie Hillman for the Broncos. Base. Insert for the Rams, Michael Brockers. Got the card shop, bought the Rams this afternoon. Buccaneers rookie, Michael Smith. Base. Seattle Seahawks, Robert Turbin, insert. And Rams rookie, Isaiah Pead. Base. Last hit of the box. Stars of the NFL jersey. Out of 249. The jerseys are numbered, but not the patches. How ridiculous. For the Chiefs, Jamal Charles. Good jersey. Connections for the Texans, Arian Foster, Andre Johnson. I don't know where they throw each other touchdowns. Rookie for the Bengals, Marvin Jones. Base. Decoy. Bucks, Doug Martin, insert. Rookie for the Lions, Kellen Moore. Base. Insert for the Jets. Jets are taking it here. Stephen Hill. Unnumbered. Colts rookie, Levon Brazil. Not familiar with him. Base. Stars of the NFL, insert Reggie Bush for the Dolphins. And rookie for the Dolphins, B.J. Cunningham. Base. All right, let me show these hits again real quick. I got the Malcolm Floyd 2-color patch. The on-card auto of Buffalo Bills, T.J. Graham. Alan Branch autograph out of $8.99. And the Jamal Charles Stars of the NFL jersey out of $2.99. And I don't remember who the variant rookie was. Where'd it go? Oh, here it is. Melvin Ingram for the Chargers. Thank you, YouTube. We'll see you on the next one.